We'll guide you through how to customize VS Code icons to give your editor a fresh and personalized look. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. You need to go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window, or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Material Icon Theme and hit Enter. This is a popular extension that allows you to change the icon theme of your files and folders. Once you find it, click on the Install button to add it to your VS Code. After installation, go to File, then Preferences, and select File Icon Theme. Here, you'll see a list of available icon themes, including the newly installed Material Icon theme. Click on it to apply the theme. You can now enjoy a new set of icons that make navigating your projects visually appealing and easier. If you want to explore more options, Material Icon Theme offers customization features. To access these, go to the Extensions view. Find Material Icon Theme in your list of installed extensions, and click on it. Then, look for the gear icon and select Extension Settings. Here, you can tweak the icons even further by enabling or disabling certain icon packs, or even creating your own custom associations for specific file types. This is great for tailoring the appearance to match your workflow or project needs. Customizing your VS Code icons not only enhances aesthetics, but can also improve productivity by making it easier to distinguish between different file types at a glance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.